In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bible app widget. By the end, you will have a quick way to see verses or plans right from your home screen without opening the app each time. Go to your home screen, take a second to make sure you can see your usual app icons and any existing widgets. If you have multiple pages, stay on the page where you want the Bible widget to appear, so you do not have to move it later. Press and hold an empty space. Keep holding until your apps and widgets enter edit mode. On most phones, icons will slightly shrink or start to wiggle, and you may see a bar appear at the bottom or top of the screen. When you see that editing view, you know you can add new widgets. Tap Widgets. This opens a panel or full screen list of all widgets installed from your apps. You should see icons and names for different apps that support widgets. Some phones also group widgets by app, with a small preview to the right of each app name. Find Bible or YouVersion Bible App. Scroll through the list until you see the Bible app icon and the label Bible or YouVersion Bible App. If your phone has a search box at the top of the widget list, you can type Bible to jump straight to it. When you tap the app name, you should see several widget styles appear underneath it. Press and hold the widget you want. You will see options like Verse of the Day image, and Reading Plan. Verse of the Day shows just the text of the daily verse in a compact layout. Verse of the Day image shows the same verse with a background image, which can look nicer but may take more space. Reading Plan shows your current plan or suggested plans, so you can quickly open to keep up. Press and hold the specific style that best matches how you want to use the Bible app each day. Drag it to your home screen. While still holding, move your finger toward the home screen area. You should see the widget follow your finger and the grid beneath adjust to show where it can land. Place it where it will not cover apps you use often. When you let go, the widget should snap into place, and the content will load within a few seconds. Adjust the size or settings if available. Once the widget is placed, you may see handles on the sides or corners. Drag these handles to make the widget taller or wider, which can reveal more text or a larger verse image. Some Bible widgets open a small settings panel when you tap them in edit mode, letting you switch between light and dark backgrounds or adjust what is shown. Any changes usually update right away, so you can see the new look instantly. Tap Save or tap outside the widget. On some phones, there is a Save or Done button near the top, which confirms the widget layout. On others, simply tapping an empty area exits edit mode. When the icons stop wiggling and the widget stays in place, your Bible app widget is ready and active. You just set up a Bible app widget so verses or plans appear right on your home screen. If that helps you stay in the Word, please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.